Hi Tracy, I have a question. I'm experiencing severe redness around my cheeks, intense dryness and irritation, along with these tiny pustules, itchiness and burning. I've been diagnosed with rosacea, but my current protocol doesn't seem to be working and it gets worse at this time of year. Please help. Oh my, I am so sorry to hear this. Yes, rosacea can be incredibly uncomfortable, but we've developed this Rosacea Kit with products that will transform your skin. The formulations offer a mix of very gentle exfoliation to open and unblock the pores, balanced with soothing and nourishing ingredients that aid in healing and hydrating the skin to bring instant relief and clearer skin with improved function and a healthier appearance. Stop suffering and check out our Biophora Rosacea Kit.